Hi friends, I'm Karan Narang. I'm from Delhi. I did my MBBS from University College of Medical Sciences and I followed it up with 1 year of work experience. First as a junior resident in dermatology in Guru Tegh Bahadur Hospital, which is in Delhi itself, followed by 5 months of junior residency in the departments of burns and plastic surgery at the same hospital. Uh, I took the CAT in November 2010, made it to AM Lucknow, and after coming down here, I am one of the members of the core team of Varchasv, which is AM Lucknow's annual sports and cultural extravaganza. I'm also a member of the Interest Club 3.4, which is essentially an interest club for all the musicians of the batch. And I'm going to be doing my summer internship at McKinsey & Company this year. Yeah, so friends, as far as the GD experience is concerned, the GD was essentially in two parts. First, a written ability test, and then the main group discussion, which had around 8 to 9 members. The topic for both these processes was the same, which was if you need to have power in today's world, your pockets need to be filled with money. So, both in my written ability test as well as in my group discussion, I was mainly speaking for the motion. And I think the good part was that I substantiated whatever I said with real life examples. So, and one of the points that I mentioned over there, which the faculty also interrupted to appreciate, was the fact that in today's world, it essentially boils down to how much importance does a society attach to money. And therein I gave the examples of certain money-free societies that exist even today, especially in Africa. And I would advise all the participants to make sure that your GD has to be a really good mix of good content in terms of the examples that you say, in terms of the facts that you quote, and also in terms of whatever leadership and moderator qualities you portray over there. So be very forthcoming as far as starting the GD is concerned or summarizing the whole group discussion is concerned, because that always carries extra weightage. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. Friends, as far as my personal interview experience is concerned, I think I can broadly structure it into four components. The first part was where I was grilled extensively on my background, particularly as to why this shift suddenly to MBA from being a doctor. And to all of you who are preparing for the interview, whatever background you may be from, I honestly recommend you to be very well prepared with this answer. So in my case, I gave them a very crisp answer saying that I'm looking at a marketing job in a pharma company or towards healthcare consultancy, because that's what interests me, and hence that's why an MBA becomes imperative for me. Then the second part would be many of you would be thrown a lot of stress questions in between. So the whole key is just don't get stressed out, which is what they want to happen to you. So just stay calm, just stay focused. For instance, in my case, I was asked, I did not have a very fancy percentile in quant. So I was asked that, would you be able to cope up with all the quant courses that are there in the PGP course? So just give very honest answers, stay calm and composed, and that's all that they're looking towards. The third part I would say was where I was grilled extensively on my interests. So I mentioned music as one of my interests, and I was grilled on that. I was asked about a few bands. I was asked, do you know who is the lead guitarist and the singer for the band Guns N' Roses, and things like that. So whatever interest you mention, make sure that you really are passionate about that and you know your stuff regarding that particular interest of yours. And finally, I would say they have the propensity to ask you a lot of technical questions. This is more so relevant in case of engineers. So even in my case, even though being a doctor, I was asked questions ranging from where do you see the research for a cure for HIV heading in the next few years. I was asked about things like the RH blood grouping, and I was also, so in the IIM Lucknow interview in particular, one of the professors who was taking the interview, since I had a work experience in dermatology, he took my opinion on one of the dermatological conditions that he had. So I believe that was essentially one of the ways to check my technical competence. So yeah, so broadly speaking, these are the four areas that you should concentrate on as far as the personal interview.